crazy. I was literally just in Jamaica 2 weeks ago, and now I'm on my way to Mexico. But yeah, it's his first time out the country, so they gotta go up. This is like a birthday trip for him. Like a late, yeah, birthday graduation trip for him, and this is his first time out the country.
You know what I'm saying? Well deserved.
Well deserved. So
she don't know what we doing on this trip.
I don't know anything. I don't know the itinerary. All I did was pay my part and show up. So everything is gonna be a surprise to me, just like it is to y'all. Hi.
Took it to a vlog.
Now we're about to go get some food because we're hungry as fuck. Yeah, I know we're about to get some breakfast.
We got what is it?
I don't know what this place is called. Yeah, Levine, whatever it's called. He got, what you got?
Croissant sandwich and a mimosa.
And I got a Belgian waffle, and then he got a mimosa. But I'm gonna sip up that mimosa too.
What you mean? You should have got the 9-ounce then.
Sippy. I don't want that much. I just want to sip. Are we gonna wait for our food to get made? Because we still have time to spare. It's 7:50.
The flight is at what time?
9:39. Mimosa. That's what they actually, because they fucking halfway filled that shit up. They could have filled that bitch up to the top right here. They filled it up to right here. $25. Yeah, that food looks good. It smells good too. What is this food? Oh, I didn't know yours came with hash browns. We about to grub. Y'all. We about to fuck this shit up. He ordered another mimosa because fuck it, why not?
Nah, forget about me. She fucked her food up. Look at that.
All I had was, first of all, that was yours.
You was eating off my plate too.
All I had was a bite of your sandwich. I ate my waffle, and you ate all your food.
Yeah, you was fucking it up.
But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you mine forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You hit it, baby, and I'll be there. Be there.
So we made it to Tulum. We're on our way to our Airbnb right now. So I'm gonna record when we get there. Okay.
Well, this is gonna be our ride back.
Everybody say hi to my vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Beer?
Yes. I don't even drink beer, but I'll have it.
Hey, my boy give it touch.
Tap it 3 times, please.
I never tried. What is that?
You know. Crack it open.
I remember I was like, so it's like, oh, okay.
Cheers.
You got nails, don't you?
Cheers. Happy birthday.
That was terrible.
We made it. We're gonna be driving a Moped just like that. We're gonna be driving like a wild animal.
In that corner, whoa.
And y'all, now we gotta lug these bags. Where's my camera? There we go. This is so cute.
It's really cute. It's very aesthetic.
Yes. If I was gonna have a house out of the country, this is exactly how it would look.
Yeah.
It's the kitchen.
Blankets on it. Like wood.
Not the door just swung open by itself. Ghost. Ooh. This is the living room. I don't know why there's towels right there. I guess they're still cleaning up. Dining room, kitchen. There's a bathroom right here. Hey, me. And then I'm gonna show you guys our room.
Oh yeah. Don't leave.
This is one room.
Open on the ground.
Yeah.
Cause they be like little baby lizards and stuff like that. So
Lizards?
Just keep an eye out.
Ooh.
Wi-Fi is in our room.
We have like this little patio area. And then this is our room, the bed. Our private bathroom. That's me again. Alright, you guys, to make a long story short, if you hear people talking about battle scars, me being in pain, or my foot is hurting, that's because prior to this clip, I had gotten into a whole moped accident. So basically my boyfriend really couldn't get the hang of the moped situation like that. It was more like a balance thing. So he got on the back of a moped with his sister, and I got on the back of a moped with his sister's girlfriend. And everything was going good. Until we hit a corner to turn to go to the restaurant, and I guess she kind of like lost control of the bike, and we basically crashed into a brick wall, and we got all scratched up, bumped up, bruised up. The moped was literally crushing my whole entire foot. Yeah, it was a lot, and it happened so fast. It was scary, but we had our helmets on and we survived, so thank God for that. Now we're gonna get back to this video.
Takazu.
About to get some food.
Finally. Your war scars.
No, I didn't. I didn't even want to pull the camera. I had to just lay down in the bed for a second. So we're about to get some food. What you getting?
Awkward in the camera. I don't know.
Why?
You look crazy.
No. I'm gonna show them the menu.
You got salsa for this?
Yeah.
Oh, you just use that?
Yeah. Ooh, Okay.
Right here. Steak tacos right here. And we about to grub, right?
And then I'm the dessert. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I know that's right.
We exploring the streets, y'all.
I just slept in some shit.
Ew. Oh, look at this little shop. It's so cute.
You wanna go thrifting?
Thrifting. All those bathing suits are cute.
Oh, this shit's so tight.
That's because it's easy to back
Watch
up.
your backs.
My foot still hurt. Take my bathing suit for me.
Yeah, it's a quick update. Ryan busted ass. Ran into a wall.
Want to take my bathing suit out for me?
On the, yeah. Let me see what you got.
So I have this one piece.
Look at my water lens.
I got this one piece bathing suit. Alright, so we about to get in the pool. Have a one piece bathing suit.
That's you got caught in HD. You got caught in HD.
So cute in here. But we about to take a dip in the
You
pool.
got caught in HD saying that.
Oh, fuck, just get in. But once you get in, you don't feel it. Put your shoulders in.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
I don't know how to swim back here.
Is that too bearable once you
You know how to swim back here?
Yeah,
I can only swim about this, bro. Swim forward is ugly.
That is my man. My man. Take a shot. Ari,
I'm scared to open this drink.
the orange shoulder was the one that fell.
Oh, okay.
Sunset, will never make you think that we meant. So come on, sing with me. When I get the strength to leave, always tell me that you, and I'm weak 'cause I believe, man, because I love you, and I still
just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. We love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away.
Alright, good morning vlog. I was like so drunk last night. I don't even know if I updated the vlog. I don't know if I really talked much. I know we're supposed to go to the beach and the museum. I don't know anything itinerary-wise planned. All I did was show up. We're chilling right now, listening to some music. I'm pretty sure y'all can still hear it. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we're on our way to the beach.
It's the wrong way, right?
Nah, this is the right way.
Oh, heat.
I said make right up there, like, come on.
Extravagant.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Here, try. We outside, we at the beach right now. You gotta get that over there. Look at that shit.
Looks so pretty. I know I love the beach.
I gotta get you a picture up there.
I don't know where we at right now, but it looks nice. Of course, my boyfriend over there taking pictures. It's his first time out the country, so.
I can't get it, it's too far. It's a bird right.
To see the wizard. Don't know the wizard at all.
Let's swing.
I think we just follow the path, not go
He did say it's just a new entrance. He said that's the old entrance. Well, yeah, that's not the case. One entrance is
to the camera. But we're on our way to get some din din.
Finally, you started.
Finally, all day.
Just went some.
He went snorkeling earlier. I didn't want to get in the water.
Being scary.
Yes, I'll take it. I'm scared of the water. I'm scared of the ocean. But I did take pictures of him, and I got good pictures and videos.
By me.
No, that I took of you in the water.
Alright, but I got good pictures of you too.
Yeah.
Everything you about to see on her Instagram, make sure you follow her on Instagram. Everything you see on her Instagram, I took. And I did.
A great job.
Yep.
An amazing job, actually. But yeah, we're about to get some food.
Stray dogs.
Right? They just be everywhere. We're gonna go get some food, grub, because we're starving.
It's my lockout to get in this.
I got myself a burrito, whatever it is.
One ribeye burrito.
Yeah, mine's coming.
It's coming right now.
Ribeye?
That's not ribeye. Oh, ribeye? Then you get
Oh no, this is ribeye.
Pastor more?
no. Okay.
I had the pastor.
Yeah.
Rate your burrito. Read it. Rate your burrito. Did you get
Give it
yours?
a nice 9.5 out of 10.
What was the extra 0.5?
It wasn't enough. I need 2 burritos.
Morning vlog. It is, wait, what's today's date?
Oh shit.
It's Sunday, March 23rd. And I've been bad at vlogging.
Terrible.
Terrible, very terrible.
Has to
When
pull
you're in
out
the
a camera.
when you're in the moment of things, sometimes you don't think about putting out the camera. And I don't know, I get nervous sometimes too, so I just been recording stuff. He's been taking his pictures on his camera. He got a better camera than me.
It's my baby right here. No, this is my baby, but this is my other baby.
That's his other baby. And so yeah, we just chilling. We just taking pictures by the pool. Oh, the sun came out a little bit. And we're having a brunch today. Somebody's coming in. A chef is gonna come in and cook us some food. So I'm gonna do a little bit of recording in that. I'm not gonna talk, but I'm just gonna record a little bit.
My video about to be a straight montage. I ain't talking
because
about what.
he's talking about some I don't know how to vlog. He don't know how to vlog.
This is my first video though. You have experience. You have like 2 videos out already.
He was telling me, oh, you don't know how to vlog. I know how to vlog.
You supposed to be teaching me, but you're not
I
even.
did
You're not
teach
even.
you.
Vlog. No, you're supposed to show me by doing it, and you're not even.
Look what I'm doing right now.
Barely.
I'm
This is
talking.
like the 3rd time since we've been on the trip.
No,
since
it's
you
not.
posted that. Yeah.
No, it's not. He's a hater. I have clips on my phone. Remember that?
Oh.
Exactly.
But you
Hater.
wasn't talking to them.
Hater. Hater.
The big.
Now we're just chilling by the pool, getting our tan on. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. I'm gonna show y'all my peel. Tell me that's not beautiful. Let's take pictures. You gonna get in the water or not? So you're gonna get in the water? Right here. And back up a little bit. There you go. Alright, so the chef is here. He's gonna cook us up something real good. And we're gonna take shots.
Yeah, proceed.
Okay.
Alright, Sharon.
I'm coming in.
Alright.
I'm gonna hook me up.
Alright.
Cheers.
I don't know.
First that was Beyonce, but
Oh, shoot.
And our drinks. 1800.
sexy man.
Thank you.
So we're about to go get on our ATVs. Actually, it's a little bit later on in the day. We had brunch earlier. We had a whole bunch of food, a whole bunch of stuff. Personal chef come in. She made us all types of food: catfish, fried chicken, hash browns, shrimp and grits, French toast. But now it's later on in the day. We was chilling, having some drinks in the little pool area of our Airbnb. So now we're about to go and get some churros. He's getting the ATV together because we're the only one with an ATV. That's not ours, but everybody else has a moped. but we have our ATVs. So now we're about to go get some churros. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm a little tipsy. I'm a little tipsy right now, but guess what? He's driving. So me, I can be as tipsy as I want to.
Taste us, taste us. Can't flip it.
Good morning vlog. Today is Monday, March 24th. It is our last full day in Tulum. I don't think I've been doing pretty good at vlogging this whole trip. I think I just more so have clips of everything that I was doing. I wasn't really doing much talking. I was kind of trying to be in the moment of things. Like I said, today's our last day and I have no idea what's on the agenda today. All I know is that they said put on a bathing suit. So I have on my bathing suit, have on all my accessories, bracelets, earrings. I gotta make sure I get cute pictures today, at least in this outfit, because I've been taking a lot of pictures, but I don't know, I just been all over the place. So I don't know what we're doing today. All I know is that they told us put on our bathing suits and we're going somewhere today. So I'm gonna just vlog and show you what we're doing. Hopefully I have a lot of clips to where I can still make a whole vlog. I think I've been doing okay. Not better than I was doing in Jamaica, but I think I got more clips of what I was doing here. Just not a lot of talking. So yes, I got on my fit today. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but I have on this linen two-piece from Forever 21. The shirt is from Forever 21. Sunglasses are Lorbe. And all my jewelry and stuff is from Shein. Bumping.
Oh wow.
Right? So dusty.
And the way out, Tequila, the house.
You don't know how to swim.
Motherfucking toe hurt.
Watch over your head.
Oh, it's sand right here. I can stand. You can stand over here. It's aesthetic. Get some aesthetic.
Egghead. Come this way.
Ooh, they out there? Shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, we didn't realize how freaking deep that tunnel actually was. That's why they had us. Yeah, we hit our heads on some of the rocks.
I mean, they don't see the video.
Yeah. And if the footage don't look that nice, it's because we got this little clear case on it. So if it looks foggy, oh well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just jumped off a cliff. That one right there. I think it's that one. Yeah, I just jumped off that. And I'm scared of heights, but I did it anyway. How was it?
Worst thing ever. I'm scared of heights too. I thought I was gonna drown.
All the water got in my ears and my nose, but I did it.
Fuck hope.
And we're walking. Yeah, look at the doggy. thirsty. We're gonna go get some food. But
That's all we do.
that's all we do is eat. Eat. Head ass. I got a nice tan. Yeah, we got some snacks.
Que la Rosa regaló productos.
This is good. I like.
What's your name?
Manuel,
Manuel.
Thank you.
Your English is very good.
thank you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to.
No, you're good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You want to try it again, sir? Or it's okay? It's okay?
Last day. We packing our stuff up to go back to New York. I've been so horrible at vlogging. I vlogged a lot of stuff, but I wasn't doing a lot of talking. So it's just a lot of clips. And now we on our way to, we going to Potheads, right?
Last
Get
meal.
last breakfast in Mexico. So I'm gonna vlog that. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring my camera with me and I'm gonna vlog that. Last breakfast.
You want the hot sauce?
Are you sad?
Yes.
Ready to go home?
No.
Chili.
You play too much.
What can I say?
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes.